A new report from the American Healthcare Association shows nursing homes are seeing record numbers of new COVID cases nationwide, affecting both staff and residents. But how are local assisted living facilities handling the pandemic? Katrina Lim shows us what challenges one Eau Claire facility is facing and how they're trying to overcome them.
It's definitely a challenge, but it's one that we take very seriously.
Out of 40 caregivers at Heatherwood Assisted Living in Eau Claire, 2 are currently absent from either testing positive for COVID or being exposed to the virus. But facility officials say the stress of the job is getting to other workers.
We are having some caregivers that are getting fatigued because they are working longer hours or more hours.
When the pandemic first began in spring, Regional Director Kevin Geel said 5 to 8 caregivers left because they either didn't want to risk their own health or had to take care of an immunocompromised loved one at home.
What it did was it lowered the pool that we might have had to pull from at a time. And it's hard to recruit in this pandemic to come into healthcare.
But luckily, others helped fill in the gaps.
We were fortunate to have a lot of part-time individuals or PRNs who could adjust their schedule to meet a change.
Another challenge they face is resident loneliness. Initially, Heatherwood allowed residents to have socially distanced visits with loved ones, but with the recent spike in cases, only essential or end-of-life visits are allowed at this time. So caregivers are trying to maintain a sense of normalcy.
Everything from going room to room and playing games outside their doorway. We have a rolling happy hour cart with music, and we go down the halls and do that. And it's quite amazing to see the reactions.
Now, so far, no residents at Heatherwood have tested positive for COVID. We did reach out to 11 other nursing homes or assisted living facilities in the Chippewa Valley to see if they're facing similar issues, but they either declined to comment or have not responded at this time.